Two AI coding agents are fighting for your terminal right now. Claude Code from Anthropic has been the gold standard for months. But Xiaomi just dropped MiMo Code into the open source world, completely free, with a 1 million token context window and benchmarks that actually beat Claude. I spent a week testing both on real projects, not toy examples. Building React components, debugging race conditions, refactoring legacy code. Here's what I found. Let's start with the spec that jumps off the page. MiMo Code comes with a 1 million token context window. That's 5 times what Claude Code offers with its standard 200,000 token window. In practice, this means MiMo can hold your entire project in memory at once. No more rereading files every few minutes. For monolithic codebases or projects with deep dependency chains, this is a game changer. You can ask it about code you wrote 3 files ago and it remembers without you having to re-reference it. The biggest difference you'll notice before even typing a command is price. MiMo Code costs $0. It's open source under the MIT license. You can install it, modify it, distribute it, no restrictions. Claude Code costs $20 a month for Claude Pro, and if you hit usage limits on the higher tier plans, that cost goes up. For a solo developer, a startup bootstrapping their product, or anyone building on a budget, this difference alone makes MiMo worth a serious look. Installation is where MiMo Code wins decisively. 1 pip install command and you're running. No API keys to set up, no billing information, no accounts. It works offline, which means you can use it on a plane, in a coffee shop with bad Wi-Fi, or on an air-gapped development machine. Claude Code needs an npm install, an Anthropic API key, a paid subscription to Claude Pro, and a constant internet connection. The setup itself is straightforward, but the prerequisites are a barrier. If you just want to try an AI coding agent without committing to a subscription, MiMo is the clear choice. The numbers that matter most. On SWE Bench, the standard benchmark where agents have to fix real GitHub issues, MiMo Code beats Claude Code by 6 percentage points. This isn't a toy benchmark with made-up problems. These are real bugs from real open source repositories that real developers filed. MiMo resolves more of them correctly. When you combine that with the 1 million token context and zero cost, the value proposition starts looking very strong. Here's a practical test. I asked both agents to build a responsive navbar component with drop-down menus and a mobile hamburger menu. MiMo Code wrote the files directly to disk. I said create it and the files appeared. Claude Code generated the code in chat, showed me the output, and I had to copy it into files myself. Small difference on one task, but over the course of a day where you're generating dozens of components, that manual step adds up fast. This leads to the fundamental trade-off between the two tools. Claude Code is more cautious by design. Every edit shows you a difference and asks for your approval before changing anything. This is the right approach for production codebases where one wrong edit can break a deployment. MiMo Code just writes the files. It assumes you trust it. That's faster for prototyping and personal projects, but you would not want to give it unsupervised access to your production repository. The adoption numbers are real. The MiMo model on Hugging Face has over 141,000 downloads across multiple versions. That's not just people starring a repo and forgetting about it. Developers are actually pulling and running this model. The ecosystem around it is growing fast with community wrappers for codecs, VS Code extensions, and alternative CLI tools. There's another difference that matters for the long term. Claude Code locks you into Anthropic's ecosystem. You use Claude models or nothing. MiMo Code, being open source, has spawned community wrappers that let you switch between MiMo, GPT-4o from OpenAI, and Gemini from Google. If Anthropic changes their pricing or your needs change, Claude Code gives you no flexibility. MiMo's community ecosystem means you're never locked in. I tested both on a real race condition in a multi-threaded Python script. Both tools identified the problem. Claude Code was faster to spot it, and provided a textbook fix using asyncio.lock with a clear explanation of why the race happened. MiMo Code, running on a GPT-4o backend through a community wrapper, reached the same conclusion but suggested a Q.Q pattern instead. Both fixes are correct. The difference is Claude understood threading deeply while MiMo defaulted to a data structure pattern. The ecosystem story is different for each tool. MiMo Code is open source with an MIT license, so the community is building wrappers, extensions, and integrations at a rapid pace. It hit nearly 6,000 GitHub stars in its first 48 hours across various CLI tools. Claude Code has the advantage of being battle-tested over months with official Anthropic support and an enterprise tier. You're paying for reliability and support, not just software. So which one wins? MiMo Code crushes it on setup, speed, and cost. A 9 out of 10 for ease of use, a 9 for speed, and a perfect 10 for being completely free. Claude Code wins on code quality with a 9 and safety with another 9. The verdict depends on what you're building. If you're prototyping, learning, or working on personal projects, MiMo Code is the better choice. If you're shipping to production and the cost of a broken deployment is higher than $20 a month, Claude Code's safety guardrails are worth every cent. The best way to decide is to try both. Install MiMo Code from GitHub. It takes 30 seconds and costs nothing. Set up Claude Code for a month. It's $20. Use each one on a real project and see which one fits your workflow. There's no wrong answer, but there's definitely a right tool for what you're building. If you found this comparison useful, hit subscribe. Every week I test another AI tool on real projects and tell you whether it's worth your time and money. Next week I'm comparing Cursor with Windsurf on a full-stack application build.